Hi, I'm Vince from Digital Nomad Institute, and today I'm going to do a VMI Embedinate review. I'm going to show you the inside, the pros and cons, and my final thoughts. Let's get started. All right, so when you first purchase VMI Embedinate, you have the option to upgrade to Pro. I think it was like maybe $57 or something like that, and allows you to do share images and to add more accounts, to share more accounts with your link. Now, this is the inside, the training videos. You have the introduction. It gives you a welcome and best practice. Inside the best practice, he tells you, how to set up your account to get the best results, how to sign up for your account. There's a whole bunch of different videos here. How to share a video. You have a spy tool and troubleshooting. And then you have manage accounts. So this is where you go ahead and you add an account that you sign up to. Just real quick, what the accounts that you can sign up to as of the time of this recording is Blogger, BraveNet, Hatana, Jigsy, LinkedIn, Tumblr, Twitter, WordPress, Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Sites. I'm not sure what that is. Plurk, Webflow, Pocket, Amazon S3, don't know what that is. ForShared, Alibaba Cloud, Flickr, IMGUR, SmugMug, Instapaper, and OneNote. All right. The reason why I want to show you everything is because when I went to purchase this, I remember distinctly seeing Pinterest on this, and I was really excited that there was a Pinterest account, and I was really bummed out once I upgraded to Pro that it didn't have Pinterest. It's not a big deal, but kind of bummed out about it. Next is underneath the managed account, and once you sign up for everything, is the My Shared link. Now I want to quickly, actually, let me go over managed accounts real quick. So when you go to manage accounts, depending on what account level you have, if you have Pro, I have up to 15 different accounts for a blogger, right? If you have the regular standard version, I think it's less. Maybe it's 10 or 5. I'm not sure. But here's the catch. It doesn't really matter how many, in my opinion, it doesn't really matter how many extra blogger accounts you can have, because when you go ahead and you share the link, this is my first kind of like a negative. You can only, when you go ahead and share your YouTube link, this is the blog, all the blogger accounts you showed, you can only share it to one. Right? You can't share it to all. So you have to go in here, click share, wait 10 minutes because there's a 10-minute, waiting period until you can send it again, and then go ahead and send it to the next one, and the next one, then the next one. So in my opinion, it kind of defeats the purpose of having multiple blogger accounts or multiple Brave Site accounts as well. But so that's the first kind of major downside to this VMI Embedinate. It does save you time, but you do have to put up the work up front by adding all these different accounts. The plus side is, since it doesn't really matter if you have 15 accounts, 15 blogger accounts, you only have to really create just one of each, and you're good to go. You can create multiple sets, but like I said, you can only publish to one at a time, so it doesn't really matter. All right, that's let me see. So that's it. And then if you have the Pro, you can share images, and then this is where you can share. This is what it looks like when you want to share it. You have the title, you have the file categories, description, and you go ahead and click to share, and then you can share your links. Manage social ADR. I haven't really got into this yet, so I'm not really sure what that is. And then apparently you can join your social ADR, and I think it's like a premium service or an upsell that you have to pay for. Let's see. So let me show you what that looks like. And the pricing. Yeah, it goes anywhere between 15 to 110 a month. That I don't really like anything monthly. All right, I'm really a big anti monthly fan of anything. So that's why any products that I review that are decent, I try to get the one-time payment plan if I can. And then these are the bonuses that come with the VMI Embedinate. So you get the local client mastery, ranking playlist, so for your YouTube playlist, and a video sitemap guide. This is the positive of VMI Embedinate is that it's a one-time fee, which is a good thing. And the training videos are well done. Right. The other good side is that it's a web-based video, so it can work on any platform from mobile device, PC, iOS, anything with the internet connection in a web browser. As for its effectiveness, I haven't really, I've tested it on one video, so I can't really tell for sure. I'll give another follow-up video on its effectiveness later on. So once I start using VMI Embedinate to publish links, backlinks for my YouTube videos, I'll let you know how they do compared to videos I didn't really touch. And let's see, the downside is that the managed accounts, well, it takes a lot of work up front. You have to sign up to every single one, and you have to optimize it and fill in the profile and everything like that. The other thing is it doesn't really matter if you have 15 of these. You can only publish it one at a time. You can't publish to all 15 at once. I'm not sure if that's a safety precaution or what, but it's a bummer. The other thing is they don't have Pinterest in here. In other videos, like I said, there was a Pinterest option in here, and that was removed, I guess. So that kind of bummed me out. I really wanted to have at least Pinterest in here, but these accounts are okay. I think it'll do the job. And let me see, the image sharing I haven't tested yet, so I'll also give an update on the next video as well. And I haven't touched the join social ADR. Oh, the other thing that you get is this video spy tool, and it allows you to check whether, like, what backlinks a video has. But what I found is that it can't really, it either like doesn't detect that many backlinks, or it's kind of finicky. So I'm not sure if it's the nature of the YouTube video link, or is it the software. So I'm going to withhold judgment and suspend judgment on that. All in all, when it comes to the software and the interface, and when I look at the accounts that you can join and how it publishes everything, I'd say I give it maybe like a 7 or 8 out of 10. I have to subtract a point for not having Pinterest. I have to subtract a point for not being able to publish all your blogger accounts at one time. And lastly, I really don't like these monthly subscription upsells that are added on to a lot of these products. I understand everyone's here to make a living, but I always feel like I'm getting, by doing these like upsells, I always feel like I'm getting like a incomplete product or a half-baked product, even though this doesn't seem like the case. But it gives me the feeling every time you add this upsell to another monthly doodad, it gives me the feeling that, and I'm not sure if you feel the same way, it gives me the feeling that I'm buying a half-baked product that I have to now pay another monthly service to get the other half. And lastly, when I look at Adam Payne's videos, I don't really, and I put it through this video spy tool. So if I go to, let me see. So I'm going to hit the creator. Adam Payne is the one that created this tool. I'm going to one of his YouTube videos, and then I'm going to copy his link into the VMI Embedinate spy tool, right? And I'll click search, and it says it has no backlinks. Now, the question is this: if this tool is so great, then how come the creator himself doesn't appear to be using it? Now, I'm not saying that that's the case. It just looks like it's from all the links that I put in here. And none of the backlinks from any of these accounts show up. So I'm assuming it could be the nature of the YouTube video link, or maybe this video spy tool is not working properly. Okay, I will go ahead and email Adam Payne about that, and I'll let you know if I get any feedback. Now, as for his customer service, when it comes to Adam Payne's products, he's very, very like non-hypey. He's down to earth. He tells it like it is. He doesn't overpromise anything. Those are the good things about his products. And when it comes down to his reply, he replies quickly-ish. Like, he did reply to my email, but he asked me to evaluate for my other course. But he asked me for another link to evaluate everything, and I still haven't heard back on the second part. So I'll keep you posted on that as well. But overall, VMI Embedinate is an 8 out of 10 for the reasons I mentioned earlier. Would I purchase it? I think yes, I would purchase this tool, but I would wait until my results come out. Like when I use it for all my videos, and I compare it to a control that I haven't touched. That way, you can see whether or not the tool actually works, because that's what you're paying for, right? You're not really paying for the functionality of the UI or all this other stuff. You're jumping through all these hoops so you can rank your videos better. And if it doesn't do that, then it's a bust, right? Whether it looks nice or not. So this is Vince from Digital Nomad Institute, and if you like this video, please hit that like button. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.